Does it feel like there's too much going on, too much to do, and it's hard to pick any one thing? This tapping will help you with that. Before we begin, check the video description for safety tips and troubleshooting. And if you know your overwhelm is rooted in trauma, don't go at it alone. Reach out for support. You can contact me through my website or my email address. Let's begin. Let's rate your overwhelm. Just say, I'm overwhelmed, and see where you feel that in your body. And let's rate it 0 to 10. So 0 would be not overwhelmed at all, and 10 would be the very most overwhelmed that you could be. And once you have that number, you can write it down or you can just make a mental note. Now let's start tapping. We'll start on the side of the hand and then just repeat after me. Even though I feel overwhelmed, I accept how I feel. And even though there's too much going on, and I don't know where to start, I accept myself anyway. And even though it feels like too much to handle, I accept that this is where I'm at. Good. Now we'll go to the top of the head. I feel overwhelmed. Okay, eyebrow point. There's too much going on. Side of the eye. I don't know where to start. Under the eye. I feel scattered and overloaded. Under the nose. There's just too much to do. On the chin. I can't do it all. On the collarbone. I feel like I have to do everything. Under the arm. This pressure is too much. Okay, we're going to go back to the side of the hand. Even though I still feel overwhelmed, maybe I could do just one thing. And even though it still feels like too much, I don't have to do it all at once. And even though it's really hard to slow down, I am open to the idea that just one thing is enough for now. Okay, we're going to the top of the head. I still feel overwhelmed. Eyebrow point. But maybe I can do just one thing. Side of the eye. It's okay to just focus on one thing at a time. It's okay to just focus on choosing one thing. Under the eye, I don't have to do it all. Under the nose, just one thing is enough for now. On the chin, just one small thing can help me. Feel less overwhelmed. Collarbone, the idea of doing less feels better. So maybe I can just pick one thing. Under the arm, I think choosing just one thing will help me feel better. Okay, we're going to go back to the side of the hand. Even though I have felt overwhelmed, I choose to focus on just one thing right now. And even though my mind wants to race ahead and see all the things, I'm choosing to come back to what's right in front of me. And even though I've been carrying too much, I choose clarity and calm in this moment. Okay, we're going to the top of the head. I choose to do just one thing at a time. Eyebrow point. I choose to release the pressure of doing it all. Side of the eye. I can breathe and slow down and just choose one thing. I can choose to breathe and slow down and choose just one thing. Under the eye, and I don't have to do it all right now. Under the nose, it's safe to just take one step at a time. On the chin, I'm choosing calm instead of chaos. On the collarbone, I can handle what's right in front of me. Under the arm, one thing is enough for now. Okay, let's just take a deep breath. Good. And let's re-rate your overwhelm. So just say, I am overwhelmed, and see how you feel. Feel into that in your body, and let's rate it 0 to 10. 0 being not at all overwhelmed, and 10 being the very most overwhelmed. And see if that number came down. If the number didn't come down, you could go and do this again, or you could look at my tap and breathe video. But no matter what, you just gave your nervous system a chance to reset. And not only does that matter, but it means you already accomplished something today. Don't forget to grab my free mini EFT course that just teaches you the basics so you can tap with confidence, understand the science, and know when to reach out for deeper support. You can find that at kristabates.com/EFT. You're doing enough. You're not behind, and you're allowed to breathe, and you're doing great.